Thanks Flex Seal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. We have a step stool that's been in the family for 4 generations. It's over 100 years old and has been repaired many times. It's broken again, time to get it fixed. I'm going to be using Flex Glue Transparent for this, so that the fix doesn't show. First I cut the nozzle at a 45-degree angle. The surfaces need cleaning up with some sandpaper. Then I clean up the debris. Then I apply the Flex Glue. Then I insert the leg, pushing and turning for 10 seconds to activate the instant grab. Finally, clean up to remove the excess glue. Job done. After 48 hours it can be put back to use. Finally, so that I can use the Flex Glue next time, I squeeze a bit more out and create a plug. Thank you for watching. Flex on.